In this video in our design automation series, we'll look at the requirements for and benefits of sales configurators. One way that manufacturing in the UK differentiates from competition is by offering products that aren't off the shelf but are designed and supplied to order to better suit their customers' requirements. Often this can lead to problems in being able to promptly respond to customer demands and provide quotations and proposals that are technically correct. Often this requires input from the design team to ensure only valid product designs are offered and provide models and drawings so the customers understand what it is that they will receive. When the design team are also involved in design for production or developing new products, there are competing demands and priorities. Where design aren't able to be responsive to sales demands in an appropriate time, this can lead to missed sales, lost revenues, and can affect ongoing customer relationships. A solution to this is to add automation to the design to order process. This could begin with the design team itself to speed the generation of the required information. Using tools like iLogic, the existing design solution can be automated and extended. It's also possible to implement configurators that capture the knowledge of the design rules and make that tool directly accessible to the sales team to be able to generate the information for themselves without involving design. In other scenarios, it can be possible to implement direct web-based customer-facing configurators to allow customers to generate their own designs and automate the proposal process, providing a 24/7 selling tool and maximizing potential sales opportunities. An example of a company implementing automation is Seaglaze Marine, who designed to order doors and windows for the marine environment. Drawings detailing the dimensions and arrangements are required up front for customers to approve orders. This proved to be a bottleneck in the process, and slow turnaround times could lead to delays in order commitment. Implementing the solution built on iLogic rules and Inventor automated model and drawing generation. The required configuration options could be easily entered to automatically produce the required models and drawings, reducing the process time from hours to minutes, and freeing design time to work on developing new products and true bespoke projects. Another example of a company implementing sales configuration is Cooper Bearings, who provide world-leading split ring bearings. Pre-sale, the design team had to produce models that customers could use in their machinery designs prior to purchase. Cooper implemented a web-based product selector tool, allowing the information for loading, sizes, and product lifespan requirements to be entered directly by the end customer to automatically offer the valid products for their requirements. In the background, a product model is automatically generated and made available to the customer for immediate download. The resulting fast turnaround and 24/7 availability has led to increased opportunities and allowed design the time to focus on product development. Introducing sales configurators into your business increases efficiency, maximizes opportunity, and increases revenue and profitability, giving space and time to focus on innovation. So get in touch today to see how we can help you achieve more and enable innovation.